Oh, look, Cheesecake Factory, beautiful. Good morning, troops. Just arrived at the mall. I've been for an haircut. The wife has brought the twins to come shopping on today, which is Black Friday. Now, straight away outside, it doesn't look too busy. Not bad whatsoever. Not like it be in England. It will be heaving. So, oh, look at the size of this Christmas tree. Wowzers. I mean, that right there could rival some of the universal Christmas trees. So yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to have a quick look around this mall, try and find the wife, and then we're going to do a bit of shopping.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you up and about. I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late night skinny dipping like we're on our own run. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words though, we were so young. Now you're long gone, and I for the family.
So we went for an haircut, we sent the family in front, and the family's over there. Found ya! Hey, hey! Right, now it's my turn to shop. Daddy's shop. Where are we going? Ginger Scott? No. Papyrus? GameStop? Yeah. So we're finally here at the Cheesecake Factory now. I've heard nothing but great things about this place. Unfortunately, I haven't got much of a sweet tooth. I'm the kind of person who would eat 2 appetizers, everybody else's main course, and let everybody else have the dessert. But I'm sure the wife is going to pick up a nice slab of cheesecake.
Coming back. What about this one?
Look at that cow. That's nice, isn't it? Are we at another mall? We're at an outside mall now, aren't we? We're at an outlet. That's an outlet. This one's a lot busier than the one we've just been in. Hey! Right, we're starting this way? Yeah, stay with us, girls. Al, straight away. Are the girls?
Oh, yeah, the girls.
Nearly. But that's the kind of thing we need, isn't it? Bose. Yankee Candle. Yo. Nothing over there to see. Candles will melt in this heat. Headphones won't. Bose. Crystals definitely won't. Yeah. Watches, diamonds. I'm going there. I fancy a new watch. Do you fancy a new watch?
No.
No.
Yes.
Well, I've already bought myself a new laptop today, so I think a new watch is out of the question. Down there is the food court. I remember that from years ago. We sat out here and had something to eat, didn't we? There's ice cream. 2 for $20 on the leggings. Hugo Boss. See, this is where we should have been from the beginning.
Hey, bro, don't you look at that? I said, my friend, what you looking at? I think she is something for me. Excuse me, miss, it's my first time here. Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something indeed. So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can. And knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all, and we can. Got me saying, hey, girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. I think we are so meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me. I'm telling you this now. You don't need to worry, 'cause I got this all down. And we get on together, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can. And knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all, and we can. Whoa, 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 my mind. So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing, and we